Welcome to Icon Trading Corporation, supplier of boiler and furnace equipments. The company was established in 2010 at Kolkata. Our good financial position and total quality management make us different from others. Industry-leading prices and ethical business practices help us to serve clientele like Rajlakshmi Cotton Mill and Moti Poultry Feed. We offer a splendid range of industrial equipments, boiler spares, and laundry machines. Industrial equipments offered by us are available at industry-leading prices. We are instrumental in offering a high-quality range of boiler spares. Our water treatment components are class apart. Burner spares and boiler offered by us are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. Along with that, we offer industrial furnace and laundry machines. To get more information, log on at www.icontrading.co.in.